Good evening or magandang gabi, and I wanna wish everyone happy holidays. It's almost Christmas, and tonight on our Learn Tagalog, let's learn a few words in Tagalog related to Christmas. To greet Merry Christmas in Tagalog, you say, Maligayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko. And syempre, or of course, you can always say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. But just in case you wanna greet your friends in Tagalog, you say Maligayang Pasko. And Christmas sa Tagalog ay, in Tagalog is Pasko. 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 And gift in Tagalog is regalo. 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 At last one, Christmas Day. Araw ng Pasko. Araw ng Pasko. Araw ng Pasko. So, those are our Tagalog words and phrases for tonight. Let's do a review. We have Christmas, or sa Tagalog, or in Tagalog, Pasko. 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 And to say Christmas Day, Araw ng Pasko. Araw ng Pasko. Araw ng Pasko. And if you wanna say gift, regalo. 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 And the last one, Merry Christmas, or Maligayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko. Maligayang Pasko. So, those are our Tagalog words and phrases. More on the next video. Good night. Bye-bye.